Hello, 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 everyone! Welcome back to another amazing episode here at English Studio. I'm your host, Alex, and I am absolutely thrilled to be here with you today.
And I am Sarah. Oh my goodness, Alex, I have been looking forward to this specific lesson all week. Welcome to all our incredible learners tuning in from every corner of the globe. Whether you are in Brazil, Japan, Turkey, or France, we see you and we are so happy you are here.
That is right! Today is a huge day because we are tackling the one thing that every English learner asks for. It is the number one request in our comment section, the number one fear for students, and the number one way to actually become fluent.
You guessed it, today is all about speaking practice. We are going to help you break through that silence barrier and get you talking with confidence.
I'm so pumped for this. But before we dive into our first scenario, I want to take a quick second to say, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now. Join our global family.
Yes, and do not forget to give this video a big like if you are ready to start speaking today. Your support helps us keep creating these free lessons for everyone. Go ahead, click it. We'll wait. Okay, let's get started.
Today, we're breaking things down into 7 real-life scenarios. We're going to use our special ask and answer method. This means Sarah and I will model the conversation, then we'll break down the phrases, and then we'll give you a chance to repeat them.
It's going to be so much fun. Alex, where are we starting?
Scenario number 1, the coffee shop catch-up. This is the ultimate low-pressure environment to practice your English.
I love it. Imagine you are meeting a friend at a busy cafe. You need to order, find a seat, and start a basic conversation.
Let's do it. Sarah, you be the barista first, and I'll be the customer. Then we'll switch to being friends.
Perfect. Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Oh, hi. Could I please have a large latte with oat milk? And, let me see. Do you have any blueberry muffins left?
You are in luck. We have exactly 2 left. Would you like me to warm that up for you?
That would be fantastic, thank you. Also, is there a password for the Wi-Fi? I need to get some work done while I wait for a friend.
Of course. It's written right there on that little chalkboard. It's Coffee Lovers 2026.
Got it. Thanks a million. Okay, Alex, let's pause right there. What were the key speaking power phrases in that tiny interaction?
Great question. The first one is, could I please have? This is so much better than just saying, I want. It's polite, it's smooth, and it makes people want to help you.
Exactly. And did you notice how Alex used that's would be fantastic? Using words like fantastic, wonderful, or lovely instead of just good makes you sound so much more natural and expressive.
Now let's look at the second part of the cafe scenario. My friend Sarah arrives and we start chatting. Sarah, how do we start a casual conversation without it feeling awkward?
You start with a check-in question. Let's try it. Hey, Alex. So sorry I'm late. The traffic was absolutely dreadful today.
Oh, don't even worry about it. I just got my coffee anyway. How has your week been so far? You looked super busy on Instagram.
You have no idea. Work has been crazy. We're finishing a big project. But anyway, enough about me. What's new with you?
Not much, honestly. I actually started taking those English lessons we talked about. It's going really well.
Wait, let's break that down. Alex asked, how has your week been so far? This is a golden phrase, everyone. Write it down. It's much better than how are you because it invites a longer story.
And Sarah used, what's new with you? This is the perfect way to shift the focus back to the other person. It shows you're listening.
Now, let's move on to scenario number 2. This one is a bit more formal, but very common. The workplace introduction.
Oh, this is where people get really nervous. You're in an elevator or a break room and you see a new colleague. What do?
You use the simple bridge technique. Alex, let's pretend I'm the new girl in the office. Morning, I don't think we've met yet. I'm Alex from the marketing department.
Oh, hi, I'm Sarah. I just started yesterday in accounting. It's nice to meet you.
Welcome to the team. How are you settling in? It can be a bit overwhelming on the first week with all the new names and faces.
Thank you. Everyone has been very welcoming, but you're right. I'm still trying to remember where the printer is.
It took me a month to find the supply room, don't worry. If you ever need a hand with anything, feel free to ask.
Wow, that was such a smooth interaction. Alex, you used a great phrase there. I don't think we've met yet.
Yes, that is a very safe way to start a conversation. It isn't pushy, it just opens the door. And Sarah, you used settling in. Can you explain that?
Sure. To settle in means to get comfortable in a new place or a new job. It's a very common phrasal verb that native speakers use all the time.
I love that. Okay, let's keep the momentum going. Scenario number 5, asking for help in a store. This is great for practicing your descriptive words.
This happens to me all the time. I go into a hardware store or a clothing store and I can't find the specific thing I need.
Okay, Sarah, you be the shopper this time. I'm the store assistant.
Excuse me, hi, I'm looking for something, but I'm not quite sure what it's called. It's a thing you use to fix a leaky faucet.
Oh, you mean a wrench or maybe some plumber's tape?
Yes, a wrench, that's the word. Do you know which aisle those would be in?
Absolutely. Follow me. They're right over here in aisle 4, next to the toolboxes. Are you looking for a specific size?
I'm not sure. Do you have a basic set that has the most common sizes?
We sure do. This starter kit right here is our best seller. It has everything a beginner needs.
That's perfect. I'll take it. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Okay, let's pause right there. Did you hear how I handled it when I forgot the word? I didn't panic. I said, I'm not quite sure what it's called.
That is a major tip for speaking practice. You don't need to know every word. You just need to know how to describe the word you forgot. Sarah described the object's function, and I was able to help her.
Exactly. Don't let a missing word stop your conversation. Just describe it. It's a thing for, or it looks like a...
Brilliant. Now, scenario number 4. This one is fun. Small talk at a party or social event.
Oh, the dreaded small talk. But it doesn't have to be scary. The secret is to find a common connection.
Right. Let's pretend we're at a birthday party for a mutual friend named Mike.
Hey there. I love your shirt. That's just such a cool design.
Oh, thank you so much. I actually got it on vacation last year. I'm Alex, by the way. How do you know Mike?
I'm Sarah. Mike and I went to university together. We've been friends for, almost 10 years now. How about you?
10 years? That's a long time. I actually work with Mike. We've been on the same team for about 2 years. He's a great guy, isn't he?
He really is. He's always the life of the party. So have you tried any of the food yet? That dip over there looks incredible.
I haven't tried the dip, but the spicy wings are top-notch. You should definitely grab some before they're all gone.
I will do that. It was really nice meeting you, Alex.
You too, Sarah. Enjoy the party.
Alex, that was so natural. I started with a compliment. I love your shirt. Compliments are the best icebreakers in English.
They really are. It makes the other person feel good immediately. And then I used the question, how do you know? This is the classic way to find that common connection at any social gathering.
And then we transitioned to talking about the food. Using words like top-notch instead of just very good adds so much personality to your speech.
Top-notch simply means excellent or of the highest quality. It's a great piece of slang to keep in your back pocket.
Okay, we are over halfway through. Are you guys still with us? Take a deep breath. You're doing great.
Absolutely. Scenario number 5, making plans over the phone. This is tricky because you can't see the other person's face.
This is where listening becomes just as important as speaking. Let's try to schedule a lunch date.
Ring ring?
Hello?
Hey Sarah, it's Alex. Do you have a second to chat?
Hey, Alex. Yeah, I have a few minutes. What's up?
Well, I was wondering if you were free for lunch sometime next week. I'd love to catch up properly.
I would love that. Let me check my calendar. Tuesday is looking a bit full, but how about Wednesday at 1 p.m.?
Wednesday at 1, let me see. Oh, wait, I have a dentist appointment then. Could we do Thursday instead? Same time?
Thursday works for me. Where should we go?
How about that new Italian place on Main Street? I've heard their pasta is divine.
Oh, I've been wanting to try that. It's a deal. Thursday at 1 p.m. at the Italian place. I'll put it in my phone right now.
Awesome. Can't wait. See you then.
See ya.
Okay, let's look at the language of negotiating time. I was wondering if you were free for lunch. This is a very soft, polite way to ask for someone's time.
And I used works for me. That's a very casual way to say that time is convenient for me. It's much more casual than saying that is acceptable.
And don't forget the word divine. It's another great adjective for food. It means it's so good, it feels heavenly.
We are moving fast now. Scenario number 6, giving directions. This is the ultimate test of your English speaking skills.
Oh man, if you can give directions, you can do anything.
Let's pretend Alex is a tourist and I'm a local.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but I'm totally lost. Do you know where the city library is?
Oh, you're actually quite close. Okay, so go straight down this street for 2 blocks. When you hit the big intersection with the pharmacy, turn left.
Okay, straight for 2 blocks, then left at the pharmacy.
Exactly. Then keep walking past the park. The library is a large stone building on your right. You can't miss it.
Straight left at the pharmacy, past the park on the right. Got it. Is it within walking distance?
Oh, definitely. It's only about a 5-minute walk from here.
You are a lifesaver. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all. Enjoy the library.
That was a perfect example of checking for understanding. I repeated the directions back to Sarah to make sure I got them right. Straight for 2 blocks, then left at the pharmacy, right?
That is a vital speaking tip. If someone gives you information, repeat it back to them. It confirms you understood and gives you extra speaking practice.
And I use the phrase, you can't miss it. That is a very common idiom, meaning something is very easy to find.
Okay, everyone, we have reached scenario number 7, the deep conversation. This is where you move past small talk and talk about your opinions or dreams.
This is the heart of fluency. Let's talk about, travel.
My favorite topic. Alex, if you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go?
That is a tough one. I think I would have to say Japan. I have always been fascinated by the blend of ancient tradition and futuristic technology, plus the food. What about you, Sarah?
Japan would be incredible. For me, I think I'd choose Iceland. I really want to see the Northern Lights. I've heard it's a life-changing experience.
Wow, the Northern Lights, that would be breathtaking. What is it about traveling that you love the most?
I think it's the way it challenges your perspective. You realize that there are so many different ways to live and think. It makes the world feel smaller and bigger at the same time, if that makes sense.
It makes total sense. I feel the same way. It really gets you out of your comfort zone.
Look at the vocabulary there. Fascinated, breathtaking, perspective. These are higher level words that really help you express deep thoughts.
And notice how Sarah asked an open-ended question. What is it about traveling that you love the most? These types of questions keep a conversation alive for a long time.
Wow, Alex, we covered a lot of ground today, from coffee shops to deep life dreams.
We really did. Now, let's do a quick summary of our top speaking tips from today's lesson.
Tip number 1, use could I please have for polite requests.
Tip number 2, use descriptive adjectives like fantastic, top-notch, and divine to sound more natural.
Tip number 3, if you forget a word, don't stop. Just describe what the thing does or looks like.
Tip number 4, start social conversations with a compliment or a common connection question.
Tip number 5, repeat information back to people to check your understanding. It builds confidence.
And tip number 6, ask open-ended questions like, what do you think about, or how does that make you feel, to keep the conversation flowing.
Wow, you guys have been amazing listeners today. Speaking a new language is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
So do not be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is just a stepping stone to being a better speaker. We believe in you.
We really do. Before we go, it's time for our question of the day.
Today's question is, if you could have a 30-minute conversation with any person in the world, living or dead, who would it be and why?
Ooh, that's a great one. Tell us your answer in the comments below. We read every single one, and we love seeing you practice your English there.
Thank you so much for joining us at English Studio today. Do not forget to share this video with a friend who's also practicing their English. Let's grow this community together.
Have a wonderful day of speaking, practicing, and growing. We'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep talking.
Bye-bye. See you soon.